Welcome back to 20 Car. Ever seen a van that turns heads like a supercar? Meet the 2025 GMC Savana passenger unofficial concept, a rolling titan that rewrites everything you thought about passenger vans. It's not just big, it's bold, brawny, and built like a mobile fortress. The front end wears a glowing chrome grille with laser-thin headlights, flanked by sculpted side panels that look like armor. It rides high on 20-inch turbine-style wheels, ready to glide through cities or cruise cross-country highways like a king. Step inside, and you're stepping into a first-class cabin in the sky. Think premium suede ceiling, ambient starlight, and 10 individual leather captain's chairs that recline like thrones. The dashboard? An aviation-inspired digital control center with a 17-inch wraparound touchscreen, voice-controlled AI, and an integrated espresso maker. It's a mobile luxury lounge with Wi-Fi that never drops and a sound system that rivals home theaters. Under the hood lies a 6.2 liters V8 EcoBoost hybrid, delivering 420 horsepower with smooth torque for easy hauling, even with a full house. 0 to 100 kilometers height in 6.3 seconds, which is absurd for a van this size. Competitors? The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, Ford Transit Platinum, and Ram ProMaster Elite. But none touch this blend of raw power and rich comfort. The price? Around $88,000, and honestly, it's a steal for what you get. Ownership costs? Surprisingly chill. GMC's robust reliability means fewer shop visits, insurance is moderate, and depreciation is slower thanks to its niche appeal. Driving it feels like captaining a land yacht, serene, smooth, and totally in control. Pros: luxury cabin, powerhouse engine, wow factor. Cons: big size,